You can now unlock the Bluetooth capabilities of your old Stadia controller to play games on Google TV. In this video, I walk you through the process step by step so you too can enjoy Android games from the comfort of your couch. This year, Google killed off Stadia, their game streaming service, after it failed to find a regular audience. Some of the early adopters like myself joined the launch from the very beginning. We believed in the dream of being able to play AAA games at max settings without the need for a high-end computer. It seemed too good to be true, and sadly it was for various reasons that I won't go into here. As of January 2023, it meant that early adopters like myself now had very expensive Chromecasts and well-designed Stadia controllers gathering dust. I was able to repurpose my Stadia controller to play some PC games via a USB-C cable. However, Google announced that they were going to enable all owners to unlock the Bluetooth functionality in the Stadia controller so it could be used by other devices. This includes being able to play Android games that require a controller on your Google TV. To get started, you'll need the controller, a computer with Chrome version 108 or later, and a USB-C cable. The cable that came with the controller is ideal, but any good quality USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A cable will do depending on the ports on your computer. Next, visit stadia.google.com/controller on your computer using the Chrome browser. Select Switch to Bluetooth mode and click Start. On the next page, accept the terms of service and click Start again. Connect your controller to your computer using the cable and click Continue. Next, allow Chrome to verify. You'll see a dialog pop up, select the Stadia controller and tap Connect. Chrome will verify your Stadia controller. Click Next Step. Unplug your controller from the USB cable. Make sure the controller is off, but if the light is visible around the Stadia button, hold the Stadia button down on the controller to turn it off again. Hold the three dots button down while you're plugging the USB cable back in. Make sure the light around the Stadia button is still off, otherwise disconnect the controller, turn it off and try again. Next, press the three dots button, the Google Assistant button, the A button and the Y button at the same time, and hold them down. You'll see another dialog pop up, like the one before. Select the controller and tap Connect. Within a few seconds, the download of the new firmware will be available. Click on Next Step. Tap on Allow Chrome to install and select the controller again in the pop-up dialog and click Connect. The firmware will be installed on your controller. And now you're done. You'll now be able to pair it with other devices just like any other Bluetooth device. Now on your Google TV, go to the settings by holding down the home button on the remote or navigating to your profile picture in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Next, scroll down to Remotes and Accessories and then select Pair Remote or Accessory. Hold down the Stadia button and the Y button on the controller to start the Bluetooth pairing process. The light will start flashing orange to signify it's in pairing mode. The Google TV will spot the controller in the Discoverable Devices list. Use the remote to select it and your controller is connected and ready for you to play games. One drawback is that the Google TV has a limited amount of onboard memory, and some games won't install until you clear space. This happens a lot to me as I have multiple streaming services on my account. There is a way to increase storage, but I'll save that explanation for another video if you're interested. Let me know in the comments below. And that's it! Now you can download and play games to your heart's content on your couch. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on the connected home and personal technology.